Yesterday it took us practically the whole day, but we took the bus from Medellin to Salento. It's like a 7-hour bus. But Salento is like this little town in the Cafetera region of Colombia, and what it's super famous for are some like giant palm trees. So today we're gonna do like the famous hike. I can't wait to see those big palm trees, and there's just really pretty mountains all around. Like, I woke up this morning and we haven't seen the view from the hostel because when we arrived it was night. And I woke up and I was like, wow, this is beautiful. It's a really small city, it's a really touristy, to be fair, but the nature here is really incredible. Look at this. The houses here are super cute, kind of like in Guatapé.
Hey, video.
That's Dan, some dude we met randomly, and now he came with us to Salento. He's alright.
I couldn't have done it without my fans, you know? It really means so much, and like Jesus Christ, my mom, my dad. Yeah, like this award means so much to me.
That's enough, that's enough.
Yeah.
Writing in the back.
Yeah, and the chorus.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, we started on the hike. We went on the counterclockwise way. Well, that is if this road is the right road to go on anyway. And it's nice because there's less people. But also it's less nice because we're not sure it's the right road. We are at a crossroads. Uh-oh. After many doubts, we're definitely at the right place. Paid 2,000 for the entrance. Yeah, now we start hiking. The grass is like super green and lush here. It's really beautiful. I recommend coming here, really. We barely started and I already love it. These cows are living the life. There's another fork in the road, but we were expecting this one. That way is not the trail, but it leads to a caime, Casa de Colibris. It's like a little tea shop, coffee shop that's not too far away. And apparently they have a lot of birds, like feeders for them, and it's just a nice place to stop, get a true Colombian hot chocolate, have a little break, you know. We've been walking for about an hour now, and man, it just doesn't get any more beautiful than here. This is probably in my top 5 most beautiful places I've ever been in my life. We made it. It was a longer hike than we thought, but it's a really nice place here. It's called the Casa de Colibris because there's just a bunch of colibris everywhere. Lost here in the white noise of this empty space. Time is ticking by. I can't keep up this. We're back to the hiking life. Whew. It's a tough life. I don't know who came up with this activity, but I want to talk to that person. On a positive note, It's really, really beautiful here. I just can't get over it.
Lost between skyscrapers of cardboard and glue. Poke my head through. Join secret meetings to give me a clue.
It's a tough walk up, but it's so worth it. And I can't wait to go see the palm trees. It's just an amazing view from here. It's hard to even tell on camera like how massive those palm trees are. This place is like premium Instagram spot. If you want to like up your Instagram game and become like super famous, this is the place to be. Look, look, look. Vlogging is a lot of fake walking for nothing. Okay, you want a picture with a horse?
Yeah, I want to.
Okay. After 6 hours of hiking, we're gonna eat some trout, because that's like the thing to eat here. We got 3 types of trouts. And 3 beers.
It's weird that this place is like famous for trout, because I haven't seen any water. And I don't even know that there's water around here, but it's famous for trout.
It's hard-hitting questions.
Yeah, the hard-hitting questions. Is trout
They never
from
stop.
a river?
The